Good afternoon, everyone. We are at the Kalinga State University Experimental Station on broiler production. These are the practicum of our students on animal production technology. They are the researchers or the intern. Okay, as you can see there are a lot of broiler. It's about to terminate. Yeah. Again, thank you so much.